Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And we're looking at how we find the area of a triangle, specifically when we don't know the height of that triangle. So we can't use something like a half base times height. We don't have any angles to work with, so we can't use an alternative formula which is a half AB sine C. All we have is a triangle with side measurements, 3 side measurements. Well, fortunately, in about 62 BC, someone in Alexandria came up with a formula for finding the area of a triangle using just the sides. And this is known as Heron's formula, or Hero's formula, depending upon, I think, where you went to school. Anyway, the formula looks like this, and it looks a little bit daunting. So before we get into this, I'm going to explain, in particular, I'm going to explain this thing, S. Now, S is half of the perimeter. It is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So when you're confronted with a triangle like this, the first thing that you do if you're going to use this formula is you work out what S is. And in this case, where are we? 5 plus 7 plus 6 gives us 18. And so S is equal to 9, 18 divided by 2. Okay, let's go to work. We're going to put in the values, and then we're just going to work down through grinding the numbers. Oh, I need to put another bracket there. Okay, so S, 9. S is 9. 9 minus A, 9 minus 5. 9 minus B, S minus B. 9 minus 7. S minus C, 9 minus 6. Work all those out, so we have 9 times 4 times 2 times 3. Which, I'll do that again. We have 9 times 4 times 2 times 3. I should have had this in the frame. So that's 4, that's 2, that's 3. And we're multiplying through by 9. And we get a total of 216. Now, this is where people make mistakes. They stop here. Remember that this gives us the square. This gives us the square of the area, so we have to find the square root. And when we find the square root of 216, we get 14.7 units squared, because we don't know if these are feet, inches, or kilometers, whatever, to 1 decimal place. So, just to go back briefly, here's the formula. The key to this formula is that you have 3 sides with measurements on them. Work out S, which is the perimeter divided by 2, and just put the values into the formula and work slowly and gently through it, a step at a time, and you will get your answer. So, this combined with height times base divided by 2, a half AB sine C, if you're familiar with that formula, gives you 3 ways in which you can find the area of a triangle. This one works when you have all the sides but no angles and you don't know the height. So it's as they say in the old-fashioned phrase, horses for courses. You look at what you've got and you apply a formula that works for you. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.